Hi, it's time to cook today. Today's Labor Day and we're going to grill, and I thought it'd be great to have a fresh corn salad to go with it. I don't know if you've had cold corn salad before, but it's really, really good. It's one of my family's favorite, and it's super easy. So we're going to start out with 5 ears of corn, fresh corn. Now these are small, so I'm going to use 6, but normally you just use 5 ears of corn and a large pot of boiling water. I'm going to salt the water too. That's important. Make sure the corn is flavored in every aspect of your cooking. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of salt in here. Okay, all I'm going to do is drop the corn in here, cook it for 3 minutes and 3 minutes only. So set your timer. And then when it comes out, I'm going to put it into an ice bath, which is just a bowl of ice water. That stops the cooking and keeps the corn fresh and crunchy. So I'm going to take care of this, set my timer, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the corn cooked for 3 minutes. I put it in an ice bath, and now I've got to cut the kernels off. So I'm going to take my corn out. I've already done most of them. And I'm just going to roll it on a paper towel to get some of that moisture out. You don't want a real soggy salad. This is easy. Don't be frightened. It's much better than the frozen corn, but I guess you could use it. This is how I do it. Just take a knife and go against the cob. Get all the corn off of there. And now you can buy it already shucked in the store, so you don't even have to pull the outer layers off, which is the part I hate the most. But the salad is worth it. So there we go. Throw this away. Okay. Now that was easy, and that's the hardest part of the salad. So here we go. We've got our kernels all nice and fresh. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of a good olive oil. Get all of that out of there. Oh, slippery. Okay, half a teaspoon of kosher salt and half a teaspoon of ground pepper, fresh preferably, and a half a cup of chopped red onions. And I'm putting in about 1/3 of a cup of chopped parsley. It's good for color and good for taste. Stir it all up together, make sure it's well coated. This is not hard so far, right? Well, the good part is that's all there is to it. This is it. All you do is let the flavors sit for a little while, so this is a good one to make ahead of time. I'm going to put this in the fridge. You can eat it at room temperature or cold. But we're going to eat it cold after it sets in the fridge. And that's it. It's wonderful. It's delicious. It's full of flavor, and it's so easy. So I hope you try it. Enjoy. And happy Labor Day.